Now, ladies and gentlemen, you talk about Nollywood. Leave Nollywood. I did watch film yesterday. Patience Ozoko, she died for part 1. Part 2, they do wedding. She done that canopy, they drink Fanta. I don't tire for Nollywood. Percy yesterday again, Rasonua, they get accident with Locust for hospital. He carry galas. I don't tire for Nollywood. As he doesn't have drama, Mukuma they add the drama. Yesterday I watched Nigeria film Babalawo. He get Fushiran. But you don't forget, say he wear Mountain of Fire wristband. Oh, who they clap? Who they clap? Who they clap? Who they clap? See, look your table. You go see card. Shisha, you don't get card. I want to say you must go and fire. Shisha, get card. Send a website. Shisha, what you pay me? I send a Shisha pot. You get you be mama put. See the way, normally, if you watch American film, you see the way they take the smoke shisha. To smoke shisha go hungry you. They go plan for up. Boy, Lobo boys, they use shisha to do perf. Waiting. Thunder go kill you. They done. Bros, you spray. You know, say for this country, you need to get to work. As a day like this now. Hey! No, I know this boy something. No, you know this boy, You know this boy, no worry. Grace, follow me. If this guy with the camera, you don't change. If this guy feed the camera, carry school bag, from here now they go school for money. For this country, everybody they get to work. As a day like this now, for night I be comedian, for morning I dey sell tea. Everybody get to work. You see MC Watermelon with the name you go know. For night na comedian, for morning he dey sell watermelon. Bros Lino B na comedian for night, for afternoon he dey sell B29. The name go tell you, bros he don't do. For night na comedian, for afternoon he dey do people. The name they follow. No, I dey tell you. Who be that virus? Now in they unlock and the virus for phone. They flash virus. We no get phone village. Now online they flash. See this country, everybody. Yesterday I go barb hair for morning. For afternoon I go and catch her. I go buy charger. The guy wey barb my hair, now he dey sell charger. That the same night I go another show. The guy wey barb my hair say charger, now he be the DJ. So everybody they double their hustle. See if you dey here, you be Yahoo boy. I better continue. Now, but Mark giving a one secret. Things don't change. You know, say nowadays the way go slow, the way police did arrest boys now, won't give a new thing. You know, say normally around 6-7 for night. Go slow the day. See the new, I won't give a new 30s listing. Yesterday, you know, say normally from Okogo to my 2 around 6-7, the motor na 300, 400. Police people now, they go carry new coaster. When you come outside for Okoko around 6-7, what you go to hear? My 2, 18 naira. My 2, 18 naira. Before they go call 2 times, the full bus don't full. They will carry on at the go station. One day this station they go offload you now. You can't ask them why they arrest you now. They go tell you, say, for you to get mind, enter Okoko to my 2, 18 naira. Around 6 p.m. you go feed thief. Who they clap? You won't clap, you clap, oh. You don't buy ticket, say you don't buy ticket, oh. You don't think gonna die for you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, see, Marshall now, Yahoo boy, see the way SAS stay the cash boy. Yesterday, SAS, they come inside one hotel for Island, no call name. They sit down. Now, Shaku, they take the cash Yahoo boys. They go sit down. Teach the place, Loam. Oh, hey. Oh, off, wait. Hold out, best now. Now, my joke now. Now watch. Shaku. SAS, they go sit down with their Oga and boys. Now watch. Shaku, DJ play. Now, Yahoo boys, not say once they hear this song, they go stand up. They will come, they go. Watch. As they dance now, they dance go meet the SAS we won't carry them. They watch. DJ, hold on. the junior colleague for the SARS go ask Oga, make the cash am. The Oga go say leave am, he go come meet us by himself. DJ play. You know say the dance go carry you go front, you go yeah. DJ hold on. As he don't reach his SARS Oga front, the boy go say Oga move arrest, he go say leave am, he go still go back, come still meet us. DJ play. The dance go carry am go back. DJ hold on. The boy go say Oga move go catch am, he say leave am, he go still come meet us. The dance again go carry you. DJ hold on. The boy go say Oga move catch am, the Oga go say leave am. He go use his hand enter the prison of the motor. Watch now, the dance go carry you. DJ play, watch. DJ hold on. He don't enter the motor. The boy go say Oga move lock, he say leave am, he go still go inside where with the dance. DJ play. DJ hold on, that's what they go take carry you. Who they clap? I do this and I go. See, people don't they complain. Okay, you with the video, the way you carry black glass, it's just gonna be where that you be. What did they happen? That's why I say go wedding yesterday. This guy just carry camera, the video. After the full wedding, made they play the video. We don't know say the guy never press start. The guy there in local police station now, he did here. If you go see him, he did now. How you go carry two cameras? You be two-faced. Huh? Don't touch out. Now people they complain say country never had though. Country never reach where make country reach. We are make this country rich. Now where we say una go buy 1 liter of fuel, 15,850. Yes, that time you go enter motor from Ilogbo here to Shibiri, 17,500. If you want pay, you go swear for cannot take, but God go judge you. You go charge this money, but you go die. Oh. That time to buy recharge card go be 15,200. So I go tell the maker, hello, go, Jesus. That time nobody gonna carry a shower. The carry a shower go be 15 million. You go see when men they complete themselves. I shower go pass. Okay, carry now. Jesus carry a shower. You mad. See, before I go, see, if you day here, you like blow job and you no get job, someone go kill you. To God, you go die. I mean, you must die. Blow job. You no get job for money tonight in the house. You must die. I mean, talk. Now, you know what I talk so? If you day here, before you follow girl or ask for blow job, know the girl well. Know the girl. One of my guys, he just carry girl. He don't know the girl. That day, he say blow job. He don't know say the girl na epileptics. Those people they do, they are sick of one close. When they call the give blow job, now the things that you take close body guy dig on. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my name. God bless you. Enjoy your night.